my name's Brooke with WTI, and I have to show you this most incredible hair dryer by Revlon. It dries your hair and styles your hair all in one, and it does such a wonderful job. It only took me 20 minutes to dry my hair, but the best thing about this is that my hair is not frizzy. Usually when I dry my hair, the whole day my hair is frizzy because I have really fine hair, and it takes a day for my hair to soften and not look so frayed or frizzy at the end. But this has done an incredible job just of getting my hair smooth but dry and styled, so I don't have to waste extra time. It didn't take me very long at all. Like I said, only 20 minutes, just 20 minutes to dry my hair. And I like that it has 4 settings, so you can go all the way from hot to cold. And this has a very comfortable handle to use, and it gives me a really good volume. I feel like my scalp just had a wonderful massage. It wasn't too abrasive, but it felt really nice on my scalp. And if you want loose curls, you can just spend a little longer holding the ends on the heat, and it'll give you a bounce at the very end. I love this, and it's making my life so much easier. And if you need to wash your hair because you're going to go out, but you're worried about styling it and getting it dry in time, I'd like to recommend this one because it does a wonderful job for me. And that's my point of view.